Today we will start our journey from Amsterdam to Frankfurt via Arnhem, Düsseldorf, Poland and Limburg. We will have to cover 445 kilometers to complete our journey and it is take about 6 hours to complete due to heavy traffic and low speed limit in Netherlands. Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all well and enjoying your life to the fullest. I am again at your service with a beautiful journey and we will travel from Amsterdam to Frankfurt. Okay ji, Assalamu alaikum, Guten Tag, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. I am very happy to warmly welcome all of you to my channel Travel Europe and me. I hope our journey will go very well inshallah and we will enjoy our journey. So viewers, let's start our journey. Amsterdam is our initial point from where we can start our journey. Amsterdam is the Netherlands capital known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system and narrow houses with gable-faced legacies of this city in 17th century golden age. The weather averages to its mean 22 at high and 30 at low. Basically, Amsterdam is a city located in the Netherlands, a country in Western Europe. Amsterdam is known for its Winter Brothers wild nightlife and coffee shops selling soft drugs. Amsterdam is also famous for housing more bicycles than citizens, more canals than Venice, more bridges than Paris, and more rocked houses than any other place. Here, I would like to share the most beautiful landscape of Amsterdam, or Amsterdam, and that is Wondel Park, Canal and Canal Crossing, Times Square, Red Light District, Royal Palace of Amsterdam. Here, the most interesting thing about Amsterdam is that Amsterdam is new city of love, countless stories which are full of wonder, love, intrigue and hidden behind every stone of the city's most famous buildings. It is the capital and the principal commercial and financial center of the Northlands or Netherlands. Amsterdam is known for its historical attraction, for its collection of great art and for the distinguished of colors and flavors of its old sections which have been so well preserved with its picturesque canal network, rich history and throbbing culture scene. The capital of the Netherlands is one of the world's most vibrant cities. Viewers, this is the information about Amsterdam, which is our initial point or from where we can start our journey. As we already discussed, we can start our journey from Amsterdam to Frankfurt via Arnhem, Düsseldorf, Poland and Limburg. Now I would like to share some information about Arnhem. Arnhem is a city and municipality situated in the eastern part of the Netherlands. It is the capital of the province of Gelderland. Arnhem is best known as the site of one of the most infamous battles of World War II. Yes, viewers, in World War II, Arnhem is considered as the site of most famous battles. According to me, Arnhem is the great place to visit for young people and families alike. It had several interesting museums, a vibrant city center, beautiful nature, and the famous Royal Iserjur Zoo. The nearest airport to Arnhem is Weiss Airport, which is approximately 45.4 km away from the city. Arnhem was the last time that Germany inflicted major defeat on the Allies in the West Arnhem Land is vast, unspoiled wilderness area with deep ties to Australia Aboriginal peoples. After covering the Arnhem area, we are at the area of Limburg. Basically, Limburg is a city of Germany. Limburg is known for some of its most popular attractions, which include House of the Seven Deadly Sins. Limburg is first mentioned in documents in 1910 under the name of Lindpure van Louis, the child granted Cornet Cotswold an estate in the community, on which he was to build a church. The main language in Limburg today is French. Limburg is one of the most important provinces when it comes to duct wine production. South Limb has the highest concentration of vineyards in the Netherlands. Viewers, today our destination is Frankfurt. Frankfurt is basically a central German city on the river Main is a major financial hub that's home to the European Central Bank. Viewers, Frankfurt is traditionally known for its production of high-quality sausages. Frankfurt has long been a key stopping point for river rail road traffic from Switzerland and southern Germany northward. Here I would like to tell you Frankfurt with its mix of historical and modern charms offers an excellent destination for a romantic escape. It is the second most expensive city in Germany after Munich and definitely one of the most expensive places to live in EU after London and Northern Europe. As I already discussed that Frankfurt is traditionally known for its production of high quality sausages. Viewers, Frankfurt is considered the heart of Europe. Yes, due to good reasons. It's a city known for exceptional art and history museum, impressive skyscrapers, as well as quaint and fun-loving neighborhoods. The top city between Amsterdam and Frankfurt are Cologne, Utrecht, Koblenz, Arnhem, Essen, Mainz, Bonn and Bologna. Cologne is the most popular city on this route. The distance of this city from Amsterdam is approximately at 3 hours and from Frankfurt is approximately 2 hours. Viewers, Frankfurt is a very beautiful area to visit. One of the many reasons to visit Frankfurt is rich history and culture. The city has to offer. We can see the fascinating history of Frankfurt reflected in architecture, museums and galleries across the city. Now, I would like to explain you studying in Frankfurt. Some of the most important benefits that come with studying in Frankfurt, including getting to experience the beautiful landscape and scenery, study with some of the most experienced professors in the world, and getting the opportunity to meet new people through many interesting sights to see. Viewers, as we all know that our journey started from Amsterdam and end on Frankfurt. I hope you liked our today's journey and also enjoyed our video. Inshallah, we will meet you very soon with the interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself, be happy, and see you soon. Bye bye.